Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger.
Hey y'all, thanks for coming to check out today's wig review. So this is a quick one from Amazon, $20 wig. It is a Outre unit. Let me get the name for you guys. This one is NEESHA H302 in a 1B. It's the quick weave in 1B. And like I said, this one is a $20 one that I did get off of Amazon. I did end up leaving a little bit of leave out, but you definitely don't have to. You can wear this wig as a headband wig. You just leave all your hair, you know, back and just add a headband on it and you're good to go. So as you can see, my braid pattern is a little crazy because I was wearing a leave out wig for a while. So I do have my perimeter out and then that middle section of hair is out also. But I went ahead and just combed the front perimeter and combed the rest of the hair back. I tried putting the wig on with being lazy without putting a wig cap on, but that was not working, y'all. So I took the wig off and went ahead and added a wig cap over my hair just to keep it in place while I went ahead and positioned the wig. So after securing the wig, I just grabbed a dimming brush and just brushed my hair into it. Now my hair is not flat ironed or anything. I am going to flat iron it in this video, but look how natural it looks with my hair just natural. My hair was blown out, but it just wasn't flat ironed. I just love how natural this wig looks. The texture on it is really giving black girl hair, and I love that for me because lately it's the natural hairstyles that I'm just really loving. I still do like to give my leave out a rest and a break, but when I'm okay with having my leave out, I love these natural textured wigs. And the Outre collection, the NEESHA collection, is always that natural blowout type of texture. So if you're looking for a blowout wig and you're not sure, just type NEESHA into your Amazon browser and it'll pull up a bunch of really natural textured wigs. There's several other companies that do the natural texture as well, but this one I know for sure when you type in NEESHA you will get one, and the prices are really good as well. Great thing about this wig is it's definitely $20. You might even be able to get it cheaper depending on which color you get. So I will leave a link down below where you can click and check this unit out on Amazon. It'll take you to my Amazon store, and then I'll also leave you a link with all my Amazon wig suggestions, tried and true units that are really reasonably priced that I definitely recommend. So after flat ironing this unit, I really love how it's looking. I love the side part. I'm also going to show you the middle part as well, but I love how the side part looks. It's definitely my favorite way to wear this unit. You could also do a half up, half down with this wig. That would look really cute as well. I don't know why I didn't end up showing that in this video, but I'm also going to try, I'm also going to do a review on my Instagram and show all the different ways that you could style this unit. But this one was just basically out the box, show you how good this wig looks and for such an affordable price. If you guys like the jumpsuit I'm wearing, the jumpsuit is from Shein. I'll leave a link down below. The lipstick I'm wearing is from a black owned brand called Beauty Bakery. I'll leave a link to that as well. And the nails that I'm rocking, I did make these are press-ons, so definitely follow me on my Instagram because I show all my nail reviews and all the different press-on nails that I wear. I love wearing press-ons these days, you guys, because I have little babies and it's nice to just be able to wear them when I want them and take them off when I don't feel like being bothered with nails when I'm dealing with my kids. So alright, you guys, thanks so much for watching. This is just a quick one to bring you guys an affordable unit. Let me know if you guys like these short videos showing you affordable wigs from Amazon. I can definitely keep them coming if you leave me a comment. Alright, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Do one thing for me, give this video a thumbs up and share it. Share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.
I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit.